Today we are doing a long-term analysis of Nifty. So watch this video carefully and we will first compare Nifty chart in 2016 and see what will happen now. So if you see, this is the chart of Nifty of 2015 to 2016. And if you see this correction, this is exactly similar what is going on as of now. And you can see the current situation of market is like this, and after this at the high there was a significant correction. If you draw a Fibonacci of this last retracement, this comes out to be the retracement happened around 50%. This 50% means does not mean that market will get half, but it meant that if this move is 2000 points, the retracement was 1000 points. Now let us see the current chart of Nifty. So this is the current chart of Nifty, and the market is right now at this moment. So the best thing that can happen if you want fresh investment in market is expect some correction in market. This correction may not come as of now immediately, but if it comes, then market will get good. Because if you see in 2016 also, after this correction, once the market gave the breakout, there was a good up move in stock market. The reason is that, see, this is an all-time high, and this time this is the only first time the market is coming to this resistance. And at this point, market continuously faces resistance and it retraces back. So similarly, if you see the current scenario, although market is trading above this zone, but this is, I mean, this does not give any convincing that market will go up from here. And a good retracement, if there is good retracement in this, and again it clears this area, then we can say that now two times market has faced rejection and third time it has cleared, so it will give good confidence. So good but if you see, let us check the daily chart. On the daily chart you can see, if you see this up move and this up move, there is a clear divergence on the chart. So if we again get breakdown on this area, then it may be a good, it may prove that there is correction now. So we have to wait for further price action in the chart. But the good scenario will be, once there is a good sort of correction in this chart, then we can initiate long term and expect 10 to 12% if market falls from this high, then we can start investment. And we, if this gets cleared on the upside, then that will be a great time to invest in stock market.